Binomial theorem, exercise 6b, third bit, fourth question. If x equal to 5 by 2 factorial into 3 plus 5 into 7 by 3 factorial into 3 square plus 5 into 7 into 9 by 4 factorial into 3 cube plus up to so on. Then find the value of x square plus 4x. Then find the value of x square plus 4x. Now solution: x equal to 5 by 2 factorial into 3, 5 into 7 by 3 factorial into 3 square plus 5, 7, 9 by 4 factorial into 3 cube plus up to so on. So next, if we observe this is 2 factorial, we need to square 3 factorial whole cube, 4 factorial whole power 4. So but we need one less. So what is that? So here 2 factorial 3 power 1 here, 3 factorial 3 power 2. It should be 3 square, it should be 3 cube, it should be 3 power 4. Multiply and divide with 3. So 3 into 5 by 2 factorial 1 by 3 whole square plus 3 into 5 into 7 by 3 factorial 1 by 3 whole cube. 3, 5, 7, 9 by 4 factorial into 1 by 3 whole power 4 plus up to so on. So not only factorial, the number of terms in the numerator is also missed. Now it is balanced if we multiply with 3 automatically. So it is balanced, the number of terms is also balanced. But if we observe all terms are positive, so we must choose this formula. 1 minus x whole power minus p by q formula if we choose. In this all terms are positive but 2 terms are missing, 1 and p into x by q. So adding 1 plus p 3 into within the bracket 1 by 3 on both sides. So x plus 1 plus 3 of 1 by 3 equal to 1 plus 3 into 1 by 3 plus 3 into 5 by 2 factorial 1 by 3 whole square, 3 into 5 into 7 by 3 factorial 1 by 3 whole cube plus up to so on. This is also included in this. Okay. Now this expansion is in the form of 1 minus x whole power minus p by 2. The above expansion is in the form of 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. So p equal to 3, p plus q equal to 5, q equal to 2, x by q equal to 1 by 3 implies x by q value to 1 by 3, x equal to 2 by 3. Already in small x I want to take capital X. So to avoid confusion, small x I am taking capital X. So capital X equal to 2 by 3. Next, x plus 1. 3 cancel, again 1 minus x 2 by 3 whole power minus p 3 q 2. So x plus 2 equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 3 whole power minus 3 by 2. So power negative we are taking reciprocal 3 power 3 by 2. So x plus 2 both sides square equal to 3 cube. So power denominator 2 raising power 2. So x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 3 cube 27. X square plus 4x equal 27 minus 4. X square plus 4x equal to 23. So we need x square plus 4x, we got 23. Okay, next. So similar problems in example 9. So example 9. If x equal to 1 by 5 plus 1 into 3 by 5 into 10 plus 1 into 3 into 5 plus 5, 10, 15 plus up to so on. Then find 3x square plus 6x. 3x square plus 6x. Okay, now so this is the question. We need to find out the solution. First, what is given? X equal to 1 by 5 plus 1 into 3 by 5 into 10, 1, 3, 5 by 5, 10, 15 plus up to so on. So that denominator is 5 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 5 into 3 like that. So x equal to 1 into 1 by 5, 1 into 3 by 1 by 5 whole square, 1 to remain 2 factorial, 1 3 5 by into 1 by 5 whole cube. So 3 factorial plus up to so on. So this is all the terms are positive. This is this expansion, but 1 is missing. So adding 1 on both sides. Adding 1 on both sides. 1 plus x equal to 1 plus 1 of 1 by 5 plus 1 into 3 by 2 factorial 1 by 5 whole square 1 3 5 by 3 factorial 1 by 5 whole cube plus up to so on. Now p equal to 1, p plus q equal to 3 implies q equal to 2. X by q, capital X by q I am taking equal to 1 by 5 implies x by q equal to 2 equal to 1 by 5 implies x equal to 2 by 5. So this expansion is in the form of 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. By above expansion is in the form of 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. So 1 plus x equal to 1 minus x 2 by 5 whole power minus p by q minus 1 by q. So 1 plus x or x plus 1 which is equal to x plus 1 equal to 1 minus 2 by 5 3 by 5 whole power minus 1 by 2. So this is reciprocal 5 by 3 whole power positive 2. So square bringing this side. So square bringing this side what happened? X plus 1 whole square equal to 5 by 3. So 3x square plus not 3x square, x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 5 by 3. Cross multiplication. X square into 3 dx square 3 into 2 6x 3 into 1 3 equal to 5. 3x square plus 6x equal to 5 minus 3. So this is the required solution. 3x square plus 6x we need. We got it is equal to 2. Next question. So question number 4th. Third bit 4th question. Third bit 4th one completed. Third bit 5th question. Third bit 5th. Find the sum of infinite terms. Find the sum of infinite terms. Find the sum of infinite terms of the series. Of the series 7 by 5 of 1 plus 1 by 10 square plus 1 into 3 by 1 into 2 1 by 10 power 4 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 1 into 2 into 3 or 1 by 10 power 4 10 power 6 plus up to so on plus up to so on. Okay, now so solution I am taking, let us consider yes 7 by 5 of 1 plus 1 by 10 square 1 into 3 by 1 into 2 1 by 10 power 4 1 into 3 into 5 by 1 into 2 into 3 1 by 10 power 6 plus up to so on. What it is given simply I wrote Okay, this 7 by 5 bringing this side, 5s by 7 equal to. So actually here it is 2 times 2 factorial whole power 2, 3 times 3 factorial whole power 3. So this one also. So that's why I want to write this one 1 plus 1 into 1 by 10 square, 1 into 3 by 2 factorial into 1 by 10 square whole square, 10 power 4. 1 into 3 into 5 by 3 factorial 1 by 10 square whole cube plus up to so on. Now, so this is also in this formula. All the terms are positive. So this one. Now, the above expansion is in the form of 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. So p equal to 1, p plus q equal to 3, q equal to 2, q equal to 2, x equal to x by q equal to 1 by 100, 10 square equal to 100, x equal to 2 by 100 equal to 1 by 50, x equal to 1 by 50. Now 5s by 7 which is equal to 1 minus x 1 by 50 whole power p minus 1 by 2. So implies 5s by 7 equal to 50 minus 1, 49 by 50 whole power minus 1 by 2. 5s by 7 which is equal to 5s by 7 equal to, so this will be reciprocal, 50 by 49 whole power 1 by 2. 5s by 7 equal to root 50 by root 49. So 5s by 7 equal to root 50, 5 root 2, root 49, 7 cancel, 5 cancel, s is equal to root 2. So infinite sum equal to root 2. Overall this value is equal to root 2. Next, third and sixth question. So the sixth question is, show that for any non-zero real, show that for any non-zero real, for any non-zero real number x, number x, 1 plus x by 2 plus x into x minus 1 by 2, 2 into 4 plus x into x minus 1 of x minus 2 by 2, 4, 6 plus up to so on, which is equal to 1 plus x by 3 plus x into x plus 1 by 3 into 6 plus x of x plus 1 of x plus 2 by 3, 6, 9 plus up to so on. So these two expansions are equal. We need to prove these two expansions are equal. Okay, solution. LHS. I am taking LHS. S1. LHS S1 equal to 1 plus x by 2 plus x of x minus 1 by 4 plus x of x minus 1 of x minus 2 by 2, 4, 6 plus up to so 2 into 4, this is 2 into 4. Now S1 equal to 1 plus x into 1 by 2 plus x into x minus 1 by 1 by 2 square, 2 into 4 is nothing but 2 factorial. X into x minus 1 of x minus 2 by dash, so 1 by 2 whole cube 3 factorial plus up to 1. So if we observe, so only this problem is not in this two formulas. So this is either all the terms are positive, this is this formula. So 1 plus x whole power p by q formula. So p equal to x, q equal to 1 is decreased, and capital X equal to 1 by 2. capital X equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so x by q equal to 1. So x by q equal to 1 by 2. Q value 1, so we will get 1 only. So this expansion is in the form of 1 plus x whole power p by q. Capital X I am taking p by q. So s1 equal to 1 plus x 1 by 2 4 power x by p by q x by 1 1 plus 1 by 2 p by 2 whole power x. s1 equal to p by 2. Now s2, let RHS s2 equal to 1 plus x by 3 plus x of x into x plus 1 of 3 into 6 plus x of x plus 1 of x plus 2 by 3, 6, 9 plus up to so on. Now after this, so this is RHS. So if we are taking RHS, s2 equal to 1 plus x into 1 by 3 x into x plus 1 by 1 by 3 whole square 3, 6. So 1 to remaining 2 factorial x plus 1 x plus 2 by 3 factorial 1 by 3 whole cube plus up to so on. So here it is the formula this one. 1 minus all terms are positive and increased. So 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. So if we observe p equal to x, q equal to only 1 increase 1, x by q equal to 1 by 3. So x equal to also 1 by 3. The above expansion is in the form of 1 minus x whole power 1 minus capital X whole power minus b by q. So s2 equal to 1 minus x equal to what? 2 by 1 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 3 whole power minus p equal to x by 1. So implies s2 equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 2 by 3 whole power minus x implies s2 equal to, this will be reciprocal 3 by 2 whole power x. s1 equal to 3 by 2 whole power x. s2 equal to therefore s1 equal to s2, hence it is 2. So these two sums are equal. So equal to 3 by 2 whole power x. So this is the required solution. Next, two more problems in examples 7 and 8. Example 7. Find the sum of infinite series. One plus 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 5 by 3 into 6 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 258 by 369 1 by 2 whole cube plus up to so on plus up to so on. Okay, solution. Let s equal to 1 plus 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 2 into 5 by 3 into 6 1 by 2 whole square plus 258 by 369 1 by 2 whole cube plus up to so on. So if we observe the denominator other than bracket 1 by 2, 3 into 6, 3 into 6 into 9, 3 table. So I am taking 3 common. S equal to 1 plus 2 into 3 into 2 1 by 6 plus 2 into 5 1 by 3 square 1 by 2 square 1 by 6 square 1 into 2 2 factorial 258 3 factorial 3 cube 2 cube 6 cube plus up to so on. So this is in because all are positive and increasing. Okay. Now the above expansion is in the form of 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. P equal to 2. P plus q equal to 5 implies q equal to, this is 2, we add 3 to get 5. So that's why q equal to 5. X by q equal to, within the bracket, 1 by 6. X by q equal to 3, 1 by 6. Cancel, 3 cancel, x equal to 1 by 2. So we got x equal to 1 by 2. S equal to formula 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. 1 minus x equal to 1 by 2 whole power minus p 2 q 3. 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 whole power minus 2 by 2. So S is equal to, it will be reciprocal. So what happened? 2 power 2 by 3. 2 square whole power 1 by 3. 2 square equal to 4 power 1 by 3. So infinite sum is equal to 4 power 1 by 3 or 2 power 2 by 3. This is the solution. Next, example 8. So example 8 is, find the sum of the series. Find the sum of the series. Find the sum of the series. So 3 into 5 by 5 into 10 plus 3 into 5 into 7 by 5 into 10 into 15 plus 3 into 5 into 7 into 9 by 5, 10, 15, 20 plus up to so on infinity number of terms. Okay, let's solution. I am taking let S is equal to 3 into 5 by 5 into 10, 3 into 5 into 10 by 5, 10, 15, 3, 5, 7, 9 by 5, 10, 15, 20 plus up to so on. So I want to write the denominator is in the table 5 table. So S is equal to 3 into 5 by 1 into 2 factorial by 1 by 5 whole square. 3, 5, 10, not 3, 5, 10, 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7 by 3 cube, 3 factorial 1 by 5 whole cube plus 3, 5, 7, 9 by 4 factorial 1 by 5 whole cube plus up to so on. So all the terms are positive, so this is the formula 1 minus x whole power minus p by q, but 2 terms are missing. Adding those 2 terms, adding 1 plus 3 of 1 by 5 on both sides. Then S plus 1 plus 3 of 1 by 5 equal to 1 plus 3 of 1 by 5 plus 3 into 5 by 2 factorial 1 by 5 whole square, 3, 5, 7 by 3 factorial 1 by 5 whole cube plus up to so on. So this we got. Now this expansion is in the form of this one, 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. The above expansion is in the form of 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. So S plus 1 plus 3 by 5 which is equal to 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. Yes, 1 plus 3 by 5, 8 by 5 equal to 1 minus. So actually we need to compare. So what we compare? P, Q like that. So P equal to 3, P plus Q equal to 5, Q equal to 2, x by Q equal to, within the bracket 1 by 5, Q value 2, x by 2 equal to 1 by 5, x equal to 2 by 5. So we need to write actually this one in middle. Okay, 1 minus x 2 by 5 whole power minus p by q minus 3 by q 2. So S plus 8 by 5 equal to 1 minus 2 by 5, 3 by 5 whole power minus 3 by 2. So S plus 8 by 5 equal to, it will be reciprocal, 5 by 3 whole power 3 by 2. Bringing 8 by 5 I would say S is equal to 5 by 3 whole power 3 by 2 minus 8 by 4. So therefore the infinite sum is equal to 5 by 3 whole power 3 by 2 minus 8 by 5. So this is the